fan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
What's up, guys? Welcome back into my channel. So today I'm doing a wig review for Abby Hair on AliExpress. Now in the package it came with 2 stocking caps that were close to my skin color, which I loved because we know that's rare. Also, it had these cute little clips, which I did not use for this install, but I know I will eventually. Now, the wig that was sent to me is a 28-inch deep wave lace front wig. There's also lace at the base of the wig. I will probably just cut all the lace off because I haven't mastered that art yet. But it is 180% density. Now, when I ran my fingers through the hair, I experienced no shedding whatsoever. Also, there was no odor like you get with some AliExpress vendors. Now this is the lace. I will probably just go ahead and use concealer because I do not know how to bleach my knots just yet. Now there are wig clips on either side of the wig. There's also one at the base, and then if you can see there's also one at the top, which I never use, but clearly your wig is not going to be blowing off in the wind with all of those clips. Now I will leave the coupon code down below, but why don't we just go ahead and get started with the install.